Hello everyone, and I seriously wanted to shoot a video today, especially on this day. And I'll be doing my eye, which I'll be showing it to you. So if you check, if you see, I've already done my base. So the base is already done, my eyebrows are done. So only thing which is left is my contouring, my highlighter, and my eyes. So I'll be covering that with you guys, and I hope you all are safe and doing well during this quarantine. So first, to give a base to my eye, I'm going to conceal my eye. Okay, you can use any of the concealer if you don't have the eye concealer similar to me, and then you need to blend it all over your eye. Okay, you can use your hands, that's absolutely fine, because you would be blending it very well with your hands compared to a sponge or a brush, right? So I hope you're aware as to why we do this. It's because we first of all we give a base to our eye makeup, similarly like we do it on our face. And second benefit for this is that it lightens up your skin tone of your eyelid, right? So whenever you apply any of the pigmented eyeshadows, it will very clearly be visible there, and it will give a very good look to it. So see, I've blended my eyes, and now I'll be applying a little bit of loose powder to set my concealer. Okay, so I've taken a little bit of loose powder, tap it, okay, and then just set your eye. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Again, you can use any of the loose powder if you have, or else you can also use a compact. Just dab it with that. So I have set up my eyes now, which is ready for makeup. Okay, so now I am going to take this one here. This is from the Huda Beauty palette. This is called as Sandalwood. I'm sure it must be showing as inverted here in the camera. So this is Sandalwood. I'll be taking this and just throw the extra. So if you see, corners of my eye, I'm just keeping it the end of my eye because that's where I want. Till you don't get the color of your choice, keep on doing the same step. So basically you need to move your brush in circular motions to give it a blend and to apply your shadow. Okay, so I'm done with the first color of my crease. Now to give it a little intensity and depth, I'm going to take this one, which is called Henna. Okay, it's called Henna. And again, do the same thing, keep it in the corners, don't drag it in the corner of your eye. Now I'm going to take this color, which is called Cocoa, right here. This is again to give depth and intensity to my eye. Again, I would not want to go right in the corner of my eye. So I just changed the light of my ring. Reason being because in that it wasn't showing me the perfect eyeshadow color and I was not aware what exactly I'm doing. So I just changed it. And now I get to see what I did. And guys, I need to buy such a lot of makeup stuff since I am in love with this. I'm not sure where would I get stuff just now in this lockdown. I tried many websites but none are delivering, though I never wanted to go through online. I wanted to go to the store to buy, but so I'm left with a few. If anyone is aware which website is selling the products, so do let me know. And yeah, while I'm doing this makeup, my husband is preparing a dish for me for my birthday. Yeah, so this is one other benefit which I have during this quarantine, during this lockdown. He's turned into a chef, which I least expected. So I'm done with this much. I don't want it darker because I wanted to go neutral today. And now for the remaining of my eye, you must be thinking I haven't done anything in the corners. Corner I purposely left. I'll just put some concealer here. I'm going to set it with a loose powder. I'm going to use this Trust Funo. Trust Funo. I know it must be showing all inverted, but this is the one. I'm not sure how you guys show it on the videos wherein it doesn't show inverted. Probably you use the back camera. Wait, so lose your hands. I know it does. Like, that's the best way. Now these harsh lines, you need to finish them, so just do it like now in the corners of my eye, I'm going to put this bubbly. Okay, it's called bubbly. Like that.
So I have put my liner. I do not put it in front of the mobile camera because I'm not that through liner especially. So I put my liner with a little wink on it. And once I did my liner,
I've just smudged it with this flattened brush like that. Like that you need to do. And why I did this? Because I didn't want to look like a regular line, so I just smudged it out a little, right? And now the last step is the mascara, which I'm going to put. So I have done with both the eyes of mine, and now I'll be doing the lower lid. So for the lower lid, I won't be taking anything glitters. I'll especially take sandalwood and henna, the first two transition tones which I had used. So I'll mix the two for my lower lash line. If you have to do your lower lash line, then try and avoid mascara for the lower one first. Do the lower lash line and then apply the mascara, right? So yes, I'm done with my lower lash line, and now I'm going to put the mascara on this. So do put your mascara on your lower lash as well, because it gives a kind of an enhancement to your eye. Oh gosh, I hurt myself. See the difference? Over here it feels as if I don't have any lashes, and look, that looks pretty well. Well, still if you see my eyes look incomplete because
first of all, I haven't put lens because I did not want to go do too much today, and secondly, it's not looking complete because I haven't put my lashes. And yes, my highlighter, blush, everything is left. My lipstick is left. So
something to do with the highlighter, because whenever I put, I just go crazy and I want to put it everywhere on my face. Though it has a high point, like a few points where you can put that, but I just love to put it everywhere. You know, I'm sounding crazy. There are two ways to put a highlighter. Either you can just highlight it here above the cheekbone of yours, or else if you want, you can put it on the apple of your eye. I do not put much on the apple of my eye, reason being because I already have a heavy face and with big cheeks. So if I put it on my apple of my cheek, then it will highlight it more and my face will look fatter. That's the reason I prefer putting it here and taking it till here, till my temples, like that. Okay, and I'm done. Lipstick and eyeliner. So I'll show you this makeup in all the lights so that you can judge yourself. This is the first light, which is not very much yellow and not too light, too white also, like it's in a medium tone. This is pure white. Okay. Okay, and this is yellow, wherein you cannot judge anything because this light is not suitable for makeup. I always prefer this one, which is neither this one, which is neither yellow nor the medium one. This is pure white, which is the natural white, and you can see the exact makeup. So yeah, that's my makeup, guys, and trust me, it was really hard to take out time because
I have just come with my cake and come, and then I
did this video for y'all because I really wanted to do something today. So yeah, and that's it. I hope you liked it and let me know what you feel. Love you all.